Guys, it is Pikachu from Pikachu channel, and we are let's just have a Nerf gun. It's in my room, so it's really messy. I'm sorry, but that's what I did. Okay. Guys can see it's okay. I'm just gonna go get what I'm starting off today. So today I'm gonna be showing off other little gun. Not that good, but so here you see it's like it's mother. It's truthful, but it isn't. So I forgot how you reload this, guys. Need a second. Leave a comment down below if you guys know how to read this. What the heck is wrong with it? Guys, definitely leave a comment down below if you guys know what's wrong with this. That's my grandma. Okay, I have to go. So here you have like, I don't know, wow, this was like pretty good. I mean, pretty good. Let's see. I mean, can you guys smell that? Yeah. It really goes to my room, but so it was this gun, and hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more, just hit that like button. It really does help us a lot. And so goodbye.